Now to get started with step one, we're going to either select or define a surface. And we have a couple different options for how we can do that. We can select a model face. For example, if we have some sort of model element and we can choose its face, we can use the select face function. Okay, and that'll actually let us choose that and create a surface from that. Okay, the other way is we can actually go through and define some sort of geometry surface. So in this case, what we're going to look at is maybe selecting some different model elements, kind of extracting the curves from those and lofting those together to create a surface. But either one will work. We just need to go through and create a surface to work with that we can divide. So if we go after the first option and we're selecting a model element face, this is a model element. It's a big mass element that's floating around in our Revit model right now. And if I change that and select that face, what's going to happen is I'm not just selecting the model element specifically, I'm selecting the face of that element. Okay, now the alternate method we could use is to again select some model elements like those curves and then ultimately lofting a surface out of those. So let's take a look at how we can do that too. I'm going to select the model element, I'll select that back curve, then the middle curve. Let's let that finish spinning for a second as it catches up with us. There's the second curve. And finally, let's grab that third curve. Beautiful. And I can take those three different curves and create a list of them and extract the geometry from those curves. Again, wait just a moment as Revit catches up with us. I'm going to take those different elements and make a list out of them. And then I can basically extract the curve elements. Okay, so far so good. Let me go ahead and run that. Put it in automatic mode because it's fairly lightweight. There we go. And now I can say, let's go ahead and take those curves and loft them together. Great, so now I've created a big surface over here to work with, and we're ready to go. Let me just go ahead and pull it out so you can sort of see the different surfaces.